What is up, ladies and gentlemen of the Uverse? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are finally going to do the sound test on the Akrapovic on my lovely 2018 Aprilia Tuono factory, also known as Empress. Yeah, you got it. Now, what you may have noticed is I've already got my 2019 SCMM t-shirt, and yes, that is correct. That means for the third year straight, I will be going out to SCMM out in Palm Springs. This year it is July 26th and 27th, and they've changed the location. It is no longer at the lodge. So make sure that you check the website, scmm2019.com. I don't see any posts about a party on Friday night, which kind of got me a little bummed because that's the best time, man. It's so much fun being out there at the party on Friday night. It's a lot of fun being at the party. The Friday night party is really for motovloggers. And then the party back at the hotel on Saturday night is for everybody. But let's get to it. First thing we're going to do is I've already warmed up Empress. So we'll do a sound check, and yes, the baffle is still installed. I've put it down into sport mode, and then we'll go through track and we'll do race just like we did on the last one. If you guys want to hear that, go ahead, check out this sound clip right here. All right, so now let's do the sound test with the Akrapovic exhaust installed. The race ECU installed, the butterfly valve removed, the butterfly servo removed, all of that fun stuff's gone. So realistically, we shouldn't notice that much of a difference in between the sport, the track, and the race modes, but we're going to cycle through them just like we did before. We'll do 4 quick blips and then 4 extended blips, and then we will pull the baffle from it and we will do another sound test. And I'll do a little bit of sound play. All right, guys, so damn, really dark. Same location. Let's start her up and get her going. We will, just like before, we will go through sport mode, then track mode, then race mode. Same location, 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 location. Turn her on. Let's switch her over to track mode. She's spitting flames. Let's go to race. Yeah, seriously, that thing sounds bad. Let's pull that baffle out of there and see what difference that makes and really piss off my neighbors. So the one screw that holds the baffle in lies right behind this plug, so we just got to pull this plug out. And then I don't know what size it is, to be honest with you. So I'm going to grab a 4, 5, and a 6. Start with 4mm. Hey, it's 4mm. So with how tight this is, I'm gonna go with a socket. Pull that screw out. And, oh, I do not want to grab that. It was just spitting flames. Break out just a set of pliers, because I don't want to touch it. And there's the baffle. Put that screw back in there so that we know where it goes. And replace the grommet plug thingy. And there we go. Little rag, wipe off the fingerprints. Make her pretty again, because she's my empress. You happy, guys? The baffle's out. Let's do that sound test and see how good she purrs. All right, guys, you ready for this? I hope my ears and my neighbors are. Let's fire it up and get this going. Turn her on. Here we are back in sport mode. All right, let's go over to track mode. And now we'll go to race. And that's how good she sounds now without the baffle. It's really not that much louder. I say 6, 8 decibels by my ears, which don't hurt with that sucker running right there, which I'm happy with. It's really loud. It's really got a nice bass growl to it. Throttle response is immediate and immaculate. But beyond that, I fucking love this pipe, man. This thing's awesome. Well, here we are, right back in the garage where we started. And hope you guys found that as informative and as entertaining as I did. Yeah, still got the shirt on, still got the 2019. I found out a little bit more information. So the lodging, the official lodging is at the De Los Reyes in Palm Springs, California, at 1277 South Palm Canyon Drive. Secondary hotel is Musicland Hotel at 1342 South Palm Canyon Drive. So it's just right up the road from the lodge. If you guys have been out there before, it's basically across the street. Or actually, Musicland's across the street. De Los Reyes is right next door. I don't know what happened with the lodge, but it's not at the lodge anymore. So it does look like the De Los Reyes. Yeah, we'll go with De Los Reyes. Hotel has a pool and all that kind of stuff. So hopefully we'll have the same party again, and we'll have a lot of fun out there and throw our inhibitions to the wind, as it were. But hopefully I'll see you guys out there. Until the next time, keep that shiny side up. I will see you guys all out in the canyons. You know I love each and every one of you. Peace.